quick little carrot harvest, September 9th, 2022. I didn't do the hill mound like they said to do. These guys were meaning like supposedly you're supposed to like make like mounds and then put the seed in, and I guess it goes like that. So I didn't want to do that. I wanted to try something different. So what I did is I just moshed with a big shovel to make a nice loose soil. Then I planted the seed, with some soil. What do you call it? Potting soil. After I kind of got it really nice and loose for the carrots, then I put it on top and then I covered it with mulch to see if that would be enough ground and softness for the carrots to grow. I think the largest ones are about 3 inches. They're supposed to be 7, so they're about halfway there for some of them. Some of them aren't. Good news is the carrot greens are beautiful and healthy. So I guess you need to do mounds. So what I'm going to do is next time is I'm just going to raise the soil really high, like 4 or 5 inches, then put the seeds and then put some more soil on top instead of making individual mounds. I just don't want to do that. Maybe I'll experiment. I'll do it one my way again and one with the mounds and see what happens. I figured the ground was soft enough that it would grow. Now it might not even be the ground. We had tremendous heat again, and tremendous heat. 95 to 102 for 2 months basically, and it was even warm overnight. Normally in the summer we're 50 to 55, once in a while 60, but we had some 65 to 70 overnights, which means the ground barely ever gets a chance to cool off. So that might have had an effect on it too. The good news is though, there's a whole bunch of them, and I had pulled out a few earlier this week and a couple weeks before, and they were about like that size. So again, they taste really good though, nice and fresh and good, and I have green. So yeah, I just want to share that with you. Next year, I'll do the raised soil 4 inches compared to like making mounds and seeing what happens. All right, but for now, got a whole bunch of them for my salads and for my meals, some nice greens. All right, lots of love to you. Bye bye.